ChatGPT was a sensation when it launched, attracting 1 million users in the first 24 hours. It was the fastest growing platform ever at the time, but now, Meta has shattered that record with its new Twitter rival, Threads. The app has crossed 30 million users in the first day, making it the world's most popular new platform. Twitter has faced a lot of challenges since Elon Musk acquired it last year and made some controversial decisions and changes. Many users have expressed their frustration and dissatisfaction with the platform. This has opened the door for new competitors, such as Bluesky, to try to capture the market, but none of them have really taken off or posed a serious threat to Twitter's dominance. But the question is, will it replace Twitter? Let's have a look. Threads is a spin-off app from Instagram that focuses on conversations rather than visual content. You can log in with your Instagram account and share text updates and join public discussions. The app resembles the Instagram comments section in its design, but offers the features of Twitter, such as replying and resharing posts. You can create posts with up to 500 characters, more than Twitter's 280, links, up to 10 photos, and videos up to 5 minutes long. You can't edit threads. Unlike Twitter, Threads does not seem to use hashtags and does not have a trending section. But what makes Threads different from Twitter? Here are the 3 things. Threads is a new app that lets you connect with your Instagram friends and discover new creators. You can log in with your Instagram account and customize your profile. If you are under 16 or 18, your profile will be private by default. You can post threads with text, links, photos, and videos up to 5 minutes long. You can also share them to your Instagram story or other platforms. Threads helps you have positive, productive conversations. You can choose who can mention or reply to you, and filter out unwanted words. You can also unfollow, block, restrict, or report anyone who bothers you. It follows Instagram's community guidelines and work hard to protect our users with our teams and technologies.
Threads is joining the open social networking movement with ActivityPub, a protocol that lets different apps connect and interact.
This means you can follow and chat with people across apps and move your content to another service if you want. You can also choose apps that suit your preferences and values. Threads is the first Meta app to support this protocol, and we hope it will help you find your community online.
Will Threads replace Twitter?
That's a bold statement. I don't think Threads will kill Twitter, but it might take some users and attention away from it. Here are some possible reasons why. Threads lets you post short messages, photos, and videos to your followers, just like Twitter. But it has a huge advantage. It can tap into Instagram's 2 billion users worldwide. That's a lot more than Twitter's 250 million. Threads has more ways to express yourself. You can use filters, stickers, and emojis to make your posts and stories pop. Threads has a smarter feed. You can follow topics and hashtags, not just people and accounts. You can see the best posts for you, not just the latest ones. Threads has more fun features. You can react, reply, and chat with photos and videos. You can also join polls, quizzes, and questions to share your thoughts. Threads has more surprises. It keeps adding new things to try, like live audio rooms, reels, guides, and shopping. It also helps you discover new content and creators,